High Court on Lagos on Monday adjourned until May 22 to await response to an application for PIAT in a charge against the former Director General of the Nigerian Maritime Administration and Safety Agency, Aruna Babajauro, over money laundering. The Economic and Financial Crime Commission is prosecuting the defendants alongside two others on 19 counts bordering on alleged 304.1 million naira money laundering. The other defendants are Dauda Bawa and Thumbao Enterprise. Justice Kehinde Ogundari fixed the date on Monday following information by defense that counsel had already applied for a fiat to the chief judge of the court for the previous judge to continue with the case. The defendants were rearraigned before regime and trial had commenced with the prosecution calling two witnesses, but again, Justice Regime was transferred out of Lagos Division late 2023. The case is now before the new judge, Justice Kehinde Ogundari. The EFCC alleged that the defendants in January 2014 converted the sum belonging to the agency to their own use. The anti-graft agency said the offences contravened the provision of the Section 15, subsection 3 and 18 of the Money Laundering Prohibition Act of 2012. Proceeding, the National Youth Council of Nigeria has called on President Bola Tinubu to implement policies that will help to mitigate the impact of economic hardship currently being experienced in the country. According to the council in a statement on Monday, the rising cost of living in the country has become worrisome. The Apex Youth Body in Nigeria, through its president, Ambassador Sukubu Sarah Igbe Sukubu, said Nigerians are hungry and Nigerians are angry, as a hungry man is an angry man. They call on the president and the state governor to roll out programs and policies that would resolve the economic and security challenges in the dear nation. Sukubu pleaded with Nigerians, especially youth, to be patient with the government as it strives to ensure that the current untold hardship orchestrated by fuel subsidy removal is mitigated within its shortest period. In other news, as efforts to ensure safety and prevent hijacking of the planned protest by the Nigerian Labour Congress alongside other unions scheduled to be held last February 27 and 28, 2024, the Commissioner of Police in Delta, CP Abaniwanda Olufemi, ordered massive deployment of personnel across the state. This was contained in a statement issued by the State Police Public Relations Officer Bright Edafe on Monday. Olufemi added that measure was taken in line with the directive of the Inspector General of Police, IGP Kayode Egbetokun, to ensure adequate security and safety during the protest and also to ensure it's not hijacked. According to the statements, the Commissioner of Police warned all intending protesters that anyone found wanting will be immediately arrested and prosecuted. He assures all Deltan residents and non-residents to go about their lawful duties and businesses without fear, as modalities have been in place to ensure that the protest is peaceful, noting that nobody can be forced to be part of the protest. Finally, the Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board says registration for the 2024 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination ends on Monday, February 26. The board made this known in its weekly bulletin of the Office of the Registrar in Abuja. The news agency of Nigeria records that the 2024 exercise began on Monday, January 15, in over 700 computer-based test centers nationwide. JAM said that almost 2 million candidates had so far successfully registered for the 2024 examination, and a total of 260,249 candidates indicate interest to sit for its mock examination. The optional mock UTME is further said was scheduled to hold on Thursday, March 7th. Those who have registered to sit for the 2024 UTME mock are to proceed to print out their mock notification slip from Tuesday, February 27th. The notification slip indicates the candidate's registration number, venue, time, and date of their examination and other necessary instruction. It is imperative for candidates to be aware of this vital piece of information, which are necessary for their participation in the examination, the board said. JAM further added that candidates could print the slip from anywhere they found convenient access to the internet. Candidates are to visit www.jam.gov.ng Click on the e-facility and print their slip, they added. And that's the Flip TV weekly news wrap. Stay with us.